In this video, you'll learn how to build a marketplace MVP using Movable. This guide will take you through each necessary step to create your project efficiently. Begin by navigating to the Lovable website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL for Lovable. Once the page loads, you will see the homepage with various options available to you. Next, you may notice a prompt on the screen that says, "Got an idea?" This message encourages you to start your project. Look for this message as indicates you are in the right place to begin creating your marketplace MVP. After that, locate and click on the Home button. This button is typically found in the main navigation area of the screen. Clicking it will refresh your view and present you with options tailored to starting a new project. Now it's time to type in the search bar, enter the phrase, create a marketplace MVP. This search will help you find relevant templates and resources that will assist you in building your marketplace. Once you've entered the phrase, press the enter key on your keyboard. This action will initiate the search process and you should see results populating the screen. Allow a moment for the system to gather and display relevant information. Next, you will see a message indicating Exploring Marketplace MVP. This confirms that you are viewing options specific to your search. Take a moment to review the available templates and resources listed. Following this, you will encounter a message labeled Evaluating Marketplace MVP. This section will provide additional insights into the projects available for selection. Make sure to explore all the options presented. After evaluating, look for the section titled Reviewing Marketplace MVP Components. This part will guide you through the different elements that make up the marketplace. Familiarizing yourself with these components is crucial for your project. Then you will see another section indicating Reviewing Marketplace MVP and Components. This will offer a deeper understanding of how the components work together. Take time to analyze this information thoroughly. Next, locate the option that says click on Chat AI or prompt add more feature. Engaging with this feature will allow you to enhance your marketplace by incorporating additional functionalities. After clicking, be prepared to wait for Lovable to generate the app. This process may take some time. Depending on the complexity of your project, ensure you have a stable internet connection to facilitate a smooth generation process. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.